global death toll due to COVID-19 has crossed 1 million. Armenian and Azeri forces accuse each of shelling far from Karabakh. World Health Organization says it will provide 120 million rapid COVID-19 diagnostic tests to low and middle income countries at a maximum price of $5. China holds simultaneous 5 military drills in 4 seas along different parts of its coast against a backdrop of rising regional tension from today. At least 14 civilians, including women and children, were killed today by a roadside bomb in central Afghanistan. In Iraq, 5 people, including 3 children and 2 women from the same family, were killed when a rocket fell on their home. In Yemen, 4 Houthi rebels have been killed in an armed clash with security forces in Lahj province. Amnesty International has announced to halt its operation in India due to continuous attacks and bullying by the Indian government.